The mighty Ford Ranger does everything a pickup truck needs to do and more. However, there are so many things that we can add to these vehicles, and this one in particular has had the full CBS Automotive package. It has gone for the full trifecta of security upgrades, and that is a dash camera, Ghost Immobiliser, and a tracker, guys. This is an insane package that we've done, and one that we do so often on brand new vehicles just like this one. Now, starting from the dash camera, we have the Thinkware U3000, front and rear with the parking battery. So that is one of my favorite cameras, one that I actually have in my own vehicle and one that I always recommend to every single one of my clients. Now, the U3000 provides a 4K video image, providing really crisp daytime viewing, as well as having an enhanced night vision to give you those clear shots of number plates, even in low light conditions. Now, the Thinkware U3000, when fitted with that parking battery, also has a parking mode. Now, you might be asking what that is and why you might need that as an add-on. Now, it's a really popular upgrade and one that I always recommend you have. The days of people leaving notes on your car after they crash into it in a car park are unfortunately, I think, gone. And the parking battery solves that problem. So what it is on this car is it gives you 16 hours of parking recording. So as soon as I turn this pickup truck off, it's going to click over into that parking battery and use that rather than draining the car's original battery, giving me 16 hours of recording while the vehicle is parked. When I'm not with it, if anything happens to it, I will have that footage available on my phone. One of the most important parts of a dash camera, I think, is the parking battery, but also adding in a rear camera. So this pickup truck has a rear camera on it. And again, not something that most people can do on these vehicles, but something that the team at CBS Automotive take pride and so much care when doing, just to get this car the full protection it deserves. Now, we're going to move on to the tracking side of this install. So what the client has opted to go for is the Scorpion S5 tracker, a really neat solution to tracking a vehicle and again, protecting it in the case of theft. Now, the Scorpion app, again, is one that I'd always recommend to my clients. Either the Scorpion or Vodafone options are both very good. This client has opted to go for Scorpion, and I really like the app that they use for it. Finding your vehicle is really easy, adding any geofence around the vehicle and getting those alerts that you need to are absolutely seamless on the Scorpion app. Now, the vehicle also does come with two what's called ADR tags with the Scorpion tracker. What those are essentially are two little dongles that you keep with you, and if they are in the vehicle when it moves off, you have absolutely no problem. However, if they are not with the vehicle as it moves off, you will instantly get an automated phone call asking whether you're driving the vehicle or not. If you are, not a problem. If you aren't, however, you can then work directly with the police to track down your vehicle and locate it as quickly as possible. As we all know, with any stolen vehicle, the first few hours are absolutely crucial to getting your pride and joy back in your hands. So having a system like the Scorpion S5 tracker is key to the security of any car. Now, lastly, the extra thing we've added onto this vehicle, again to give it that enhanced protection, is the Ghost Immobiliser. Now, I love this product. We have it in most of our vehicles here at our site, and it's one that we fit all the time. It's a really discreet immobiliser that if you didn't know, you absolutely wouldn't know. There's no fobs, no keypads, nothing extra visual fitted to the vehicle. We're just using the existing buttons in there. So, how does it work? How does a Ghost Immobiliser actually work? Is a question I get asked all the time. Now, it's really simple. And the way that works, essentially, every car's a little bit different, but basically you get in, you put in your code using the existing buttons in the vehicle. So for example, that might be a cruise control button, a window switch, a heating button. It could be anything within the vehicle. Again, that does vary between different cars, but you put in your code, maybe 4 window up switches, and then you start the vehicle and off you go. However, if you are a thief looking to steal one of these cars with a Ghost Immobiliser, I wish you good luck, my friend, because you are not going to be getting far. Essentially, if you don't input that code, the vehicle either will not start or will not go into gear, not allowing any criminal trying to steal this vehicle to get away. Now, these are security upgrades that we add on to our for our clients all the time. Now, we can also add on a few extra little bits, such as the Key Protect Pro, again, a Faraday box to protect the vehicle from key cloning. And as well as that, we also have our steering locks. Now, the baseball bat design is a really nice and neat solution, and one that you can actually get color matched to your vehicle, giving that really nice and clean overall look to the car when parked. Now, if you're interested in having any of these kind of security upgrades added to your vehicle, please either give myself or my team a call. We will happily get you sorted out and get your vehicle secured. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on this absolutely beautiful Ford Ranger. And if you have, feel free to like and subscribe for future content. But if that's all, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.